Okay, here's a 5-pointer from 1992 under the category Arithmetic with Ratio and Proportion. Lucy, Linus, and Charlie Brown's other friends decided to form a club. Dues were the same for everyone, and everyone paid with 5 coins. If $4.37 was collected, how many pennies were there if each person used the same 5 coins and all paid their dues? So, let's call the number of kids n. And they all paid X cents. So we know, since they're using 5 coins, X is an integer. And since this is Charlie Brown and not a Stephen King novel, we can assume n is a whole number. So since these are both integers, it's a good idea to find the prime factorization of $4.37, because 437 is equal to the number of kids times how much they each paid. So by experimentation, we find that the prime factorization of 437 is 19 times 23. So this means that each kid could have paid, or there could have been one kid that paid 437 cents, 437 kids that paid 1 cent, 19 kids that each paid 23 cents, or 23 kids that each paid 19 cents. So right away we can see that some of these don't make sense. Like one kid paying 437 cents. Since they can only use 5 coins, this can't be true. And same with 437 kids paying 1 cent. They'd have to pay a maximum of 5 cents because that's using just 5 pennies. But it's harder to tell which one of these is correct. So to do this, we have to look at if we can make 23 with 5 coins and 19 with 5 coins. So first let's start with 19. To make 19, we'd need 4 pennies. And this is because quarters, dimes, and nickels are 25, 10, and 15 cents. And each of these is a multiple of 5. So since 19 is equal to 3, 3 times 5 plus 4, the rest has to come from pennies. And there's no 15-cent coin. Because once you use 4 pennies, you only have 1 coin left, and that's impossible. So that means you can't make 19 cents using 5 coins. And that leaves 23 cents, which indeed you can make using 3 pennies and 2 dimes. So that means there were 20, so we can look at this case now. So that means there were 19 kids that each paid 3 pennies and 2 dimes. And this problem is asking for how many total pennies were paid. So to do that, you just do 19 times 3, and that gives you an answer of 57. So that's the answer to this problem.